Morning and welcome to Coffee Walk. I'm sorry I missed last week, but our light was broken, so I couldn't make any coffee. But we got a lot to show you. We got a massive project we've been working on for several months now that we haven't even touched on, but I think you'll really think it's cool. It's a big departure of what we normally do. We're working on an F-650. We started with a base truck, converted it to four-wheel drive, put a divorce transfer case in it, pulled the motor, built the motor to 1,000 horsepower specs. It started at 330 horsepower. Come check this out. It's a killer truck. We also completely 100% took the interior out and color changed it from gray to a three-tone tan, baseball stitch. You'll see that. We'll walk you through the interior. But this engine's incredible. So when we pulled this motor out, we had two engine hoists on it. Wouldn't even pull it out. Once we had it out, we weighed it. Well, actually, the engine that's in it now, we weighed it was 1,790 pounds. So what we've got is we've got the very best of the best internals. We've got Waggler rods, Waggler main caps. This motor can be tuned up to 1,600 horsepower. We're sending 1,000 horsepower. We got massive compound turbos on here, and we've done some incredibly trick work. We're just right now custom making all the turbo pipes. This tank has been custom made. We had to cut down the tail shaft, which is over here. The guys did a killer job on that. So we cut the tail shaft down on the transmission by 3 inches. This has been a massive project. It's kind of slowed us down on the Hell Wagon a little bit, but let me show you where we're at on that. So the body's back on permanently on the Hell Wagon. The motor fits, everything's done right. We had to go with Hydraboost because the regular power booster or brake booster was too big, it wouldn't fit. So this is the Hydraboost setup. Today we're putting the AC compressor back on, finishing the wiring. We hid the heat under the dash. So it doesn't look like we've done a lot, but we have done quite a bit. But we've really been focusing on the F-650. And the guys are going to Moab next week to go four-wheeling because this is their once-a-year sabbatical. So we won't be doing a whole lot of work on this next week. When they get back, we'll get this running and driving, take you out for a test driving that. Then we're finishing up a 77 CJ7. This is built to customer spec. He came in and said, I want it painted 2019 Corvette Elkhart blue. He goes, I want old school chrome wagon wheels. He goes, I want chrome bumpers, sidebars, front and rear. We put best top seats in it. So this is a full cosmetic build. We did a lot of mechanical upgrades as well. So again, he picked all this stuff. He's got a Grant GT wheel. We did spray liner inside. So really cool, 2019 Corvette Elkhart blue. Full restoration to, customer specification. We normally just do OE style restorations, but we will also build one customer spec. This is exactly what he wanted. He brought a punch list in, said, I want steel doors, I want a super top, and so we built it exactly how he wanted it. This will be done probably today or tomorrow. We just got some final test fitting, test driving, and the customer will come grab it. And over here, we got a 1986 Honda CRX. Why? Because it's super low miles, and I love low mileage stuff. Tell you what's really cool about this car. Back in 1986, this car on the window sticker was 51 miles to the gallon. That's better than new hybrids, I believe. I don't know why people are buying hybrids when they could just go buy one of these if you could find one. This is a totally original, unrestored car with 8,076 actual miles. If you look at the interior, it literally looks new. Really cool find. We'll be advertising this one for sale soon, so if you want a Honda, super reliable, you can look out there. These cars will run 200,000 or 300,000 miles, 51 miles to the gallon, better than a new hybrid. So let's see what else we got going on today. Got some other really cool things going on, but I don't know if I want to show them to you this week. So tune in next week and we'll show you then. Have a great day.